Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The White House has proposed a radical overhaul of NASA's Artemis moon program, aiming to cancel the agency's Gateway space station and retire its SLS rocket and Orion capsule after just 2 more flights. This move would cut $6 billion from NASA's budget, representing the largest single-year reduction in history. Imagine America losing its edge in space exploration, falling behind China's ambitious lunar ambitions, and missing out on the chance to put humans on Mars. That's what could happen if Congress fails to act on this proposal. SLS alone costs $4 billion per launch, making it 140% over budget. NASA is looking for more cost-effective commercial systems that can support subsequent lunar missions. NASA News Network has been following the development of these commercial systems, with Blue Origin and NASA News Network X both working on crewed lunar landers and rockets capable of taking astronauts far beyond Earth's orbit. Artemis II, set to launch in spring 2026, will send 4 astronauts around the moon, while Artemis III aims to land people near the South Pole by 2027. The Gateway space station, designed to support Artemis operations, would get no such runway under this proposal. It was supposed to be assembled in lunar orbit in 2027, but is now slated for immediate termination. This move comes as a shock to scientists and experts who have been working on the project for years. NASA's budget cuts will also affect other programs, including space science and earth science, which would lose $2.3 billion and $1.2 billion respectively. The Mars Sample Return Program has already been eliminated, and funding for low-priority climate monitoring satellites is also being cut. The implications of this proposal are far-reaching, and the White House hopes that by cutting costs, it can accelerate America's return to the moon before China and put humans on Mars. But at what cost? The fate of NASA's Artemis program hangs in the balance as Congress considers this radical overhaul. Only time will tell if the Trump administration's plan comes to fruition.